Hello everybody, I'm going to tell you about something completely random. This is a remote control car which was just fixed today. Just by taking a piece of metal, connecting it back in here. The wheel from the back actually wouldn't roll. So we had a dead car. I also have a second one which has a weird floppy front bumper which is set up differently than this one. And it comes off. Now, this thing has 4 wheels because cars have 4 wheels. And the front wheel spins. Turns. I am in the way of your screen. What happened with this? The front wheels move because of some weird, stupid science explanation which nobody really cares about. And it's completely useless, and some genius came up with. Easily I can come up with the law for it too. The law of whatever it's called. It's called, the law is if you use a steering wheel in the front of it, the front wheels will turn. Wow. That was such a long explanation. You're like, oh, so bored. That's how boring things can be with science. Like, and this is the law of how to press a button on a computer, how it works. Pressing a button on a computer will cause a reaction with the sensor inside, which will then cause it to connect weirdly with the inside mechanics of the computer, thus causing a reaction which causes it to project something on the screen. Or you could just say I press the button and it appears on the screen. Magic. Yes. I'm a genius. Thank you. Either way, watch more remote control car videos and challenges.